Hi, Connor.
Hi, Daddy.
This is a video for... Who's the video for?
Oma Opa.
That's right.
And look.
And what did you... Oh, do it again. Lift it high above your head and drop it.
And I just
Can you step back a little bit?
It's for also flying. Watch.
Watch. Show us.
It goes all the way
Oh.
down. I have my new car. It can race on the ground, on the mountain, on the slide.
So show us your helicopter. Step back further, and show us your helicopter.
I'm going to show you guys this.
Wow, I love this. And where did you make this, Connor? Did you make the and Lawrence, did you make the helicopter in school?
Yeah.
Where did you make it?
In the dance show.
Pardon me?
In the
After school program?
yeah, after school.
The engineering class?
Yeah.
You made helicopters. So what else do you have there, Connor? Can you show us? Come over here.
I just made a map.
What is it?
I just made a map.
A map. Let's see the map. What is the map?
Yellow, my favorite.
Show us the map.
Map is, it has a, I made it some, do you know, this is the yellow, that is sunny, and this is the blue, that is night.
So this is the sunny and this is the night. And the X, what's at the X?
The X is where we live, and the dot means where God dance layer.
So is this a map to who's this a map to?
I
It's
made
a
it
map.
myself
Is it for a treasure or for a monster?
for treasure.
For a treasure.
Where's
Do you
the
Should we follow the map? Garmadon.
Garmadon has all the elements.
Garmadon has all the elements?
Yeah,
Oh,
Where's
Garmadon's
the
the bad ninja, right?
yeah.
Mm.
Sometimes he's a good guy.
Sometimes Garmadon is a good guy. So what else did you do at school today, guys? Tell me what you do at school today.
This, and what's this?
Yeah, what happened on the floor over there? What's that? Where's it from?
I think it's from this.
You think it's from that or is it from your feet?
I think it's from
So what else did you do at school today? What did you do in school today? Did you have PE? Who had swimming today?
me.
How was you? Come over here. Let's tell Mama. How was your swimming class today?
Why did you watch it? And
Tell how many was your swimming class today?
I swim really well.
You swim really well. Oh, what is that, Connor? Let's
I
show.
just
Show
made,
the show mommy. What is it?
I just made a city.
A city? Where did you make this? In class? Engineering class?
In
In Miss Liz's class?
in the Vietnamese class.
In the Vietnamese class? Vietnamese art class?
Yeah.
In school?
Yeah.
Wow. Let's show the camera now. Explain what it is.
It is the city, and this car is a Lamborghini, and this is a car, and this is a car, and this is a car.
Wait. You said it's a Lamborghini.
And this is-
What was the name of the other fast car? Do you remember? It started with an F.
Ferrari.
Oh, which one do you like better, Lamborghini or Ferrari?
Ferrari really cool.
Well, which one? You have to pick one. Ferrari or Lamborghini?
Ferrari and a Lamborghini is faster than a Lamborghini and a Ferrari.
And now what does it sound like? I love it, eh? Okay, now keep going about your building. Tell me about your building.
And this is the top building, and this is the bridge for the cars for going in the hotel.
Oh, the car's going in the hotel. I love your construction project. It's so great.
I made it with hot glue.
Hot glue?
I stick it together. It's hot glue.
I love it. I love this work. Well, I hope maybe we can make one together.
Jay just touched the hot glue in the middle of his hand.
And what happened to it?
He burned himself.
Did he cry?
No.
Do you cry?
No.
Oh, good.
I just do the same thing like James, and it's warm, and then I didn't cry.
Good job. Well, Lawrence, you want to come over here and say goodbye to Oma Opa,
I just
please?
did it in this
Come
hand.
here, please.
I just did it in this hand.
In this
and
hand?
then
You
it
didn't burn yourself?
burn me.
Oh, super. Well, Lawrence, can you come here, please, and say goodbye to Oma Opa?
Bye, Oma Opa.
No, over here. Say goodbye.
Bye, Oma Opa. I love you.
See.
I miss you.
Bye. Bye,
Bye.
Oma Opa. I love you.
Bye.